Hi guys, this is Divyansh and today in this video we are going to do the review of the OnePlus Wireless Z Bluetooth earphones. And as you can see guys, these are the earphones. I have been using them from quite a bit of time guys, so almost around 2 weeks, and now I have mixed feelings regarding this Bluetooth earphones. So guys, let's do the review of this Bluetooth earphones. Guys, let's start with the overview section. So guys, these are all the materials that I got with the earphones. As you can see guys, this is the box. This was the box in which I had this Bluetooth earphone. I've already taken it out guys, but these were the boxes in the earphone, and it has very much claims, like this is the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z, as you can see guys, and it claims about warp charging. So it's a good thing that it supports warp charging guys. And also guys, it has very long battery life. It claims about 20 hours of battery life. I never got the 20-hour battery life mark guys, but easily it can give you about 13 to 14 hours of battery life. It also had magnetic tips guys. So as you can see, this Bluetooth earphones has magnetic tips, as you can see, like this. So, and this magnetic, I'll show you all that later. It's also waterproof. It's reinforced sweat and water resistance, designed for sports. It also has a quick switch feature that I'll show you, and it also claims that it has low latency mode. So guys, these are the features that you have, and inside of this you all know what we'll be having. We'll just be having this Bluetooth earphones. Together with that, there will be some paperwork and also a USB Type-C cable for charging. So guys, I'll not be showing you the box contents guys, because it's as usual what you are going to get. So let's directly come to the earphones guys. And as you can see, these are the earphones guys, and these are magnetic controllers guys. And this magnetic feature is not just for the namesake. When you just detach them, it automatically turns itself on, and when you just attach them, it turns itself off. There is no power on off button guys, so this magnetic connectivity acts as a power on off button. Also guys, regarding the pairing mode, it automatically goes to the pairing mode when I turn it on. So I have turned it on, so it will automatically go to the pairing mode. Also guys, regarding the charging, I don't have any problem regarding the charging. It has the USB Type-C port. Guys, let me just give you an overview first. Guys, this neckband, it is basically a neckband guys, and we generally want a neckband which is very comfortable in our neck. So guys, this is the material that is used as a neckband is very good guys. It's a soft rubberish kind of material that we are using on this neckband. And here on this end guys, we are having some OnePlus branding, and also guys, we have a quick switch button. I'll tell you about it. And guys, here we have the USB Type-C port, as you can see. Here we have the USB Type-C port, and guys, on the other side we don't have anything, not even the branding. So guys, I think this will be the battery bay for this Bluetooth earphones. Also the battery is inside this, so it has a dual battery bay, I think so. I'm not sure about that. Then we have the volume controllers. This is the plus minus volume controllers guys, as you can see. Guys, we also have an integrated button over here to take or end calls. As you can see, this is the battery bay guys. Sorry, not the battery bay guys, the volume up and down controller, and an integrated button to take or end calls or play or pause music. So this was all regarding the Bluetooth earphones guys. So guys, let me now divide the video between the pros and cons, what I liked with this neckband, OnePlus neckband, and what the other things that I did not like. Regarding comfortableness guys, it's very comfortable to wear. As you can see, the neckband is very thin, and you hardly feel its weight guys. It feels very premium also in your neck, and it's very comfortable guys. Regarding the ear tips also guys, it directly goes inside your ears like this, and it automatically gets connected to my smartphone the moment I just put this earbuds into my ears. So regarding connectivity and the ear tips also guys, I don't have any issues. Also, if the ear tips does not suit, then you can change the ear tips. It is also provided inside the box guys. And also guys, since it is in-ear type earphones, it provides a good seal in your ear, so you will feel that there is some kind of passive noise cancellations with you. So guys, this is also a good thing that I like with this earphones. Also guys, now coming to the call quality guys, we generally use this Bluetooth neckbands to take good quality calls and all. So this neckband generally provides a very good quality calls, guys. It has integrated microphones in the ear tips, guys. Many reviewers I have seen you telling the microphones are over here, but it has the earphones in this earbuds only. So guys, the call quality that you are getting from this earphones are very good, guys. The microphone sensitivity is also very good. So guys, the call quality also feels very good, and none of the other people complain to me about the sound quality. And also guys, now coming to the sound quality, guys, let me divide it into 4 parts, guys. Regarding loudness, guys, this OnePlus earphones can go very loud, guys. I never used it above 75%, guys. The loudness of these earphones are so good that you are not going to have any problem regarding the loudness. Now guys, when it comes to bass, guys, this earphones has bass. I don't know about the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2, guys. I haven't tested it, but the bass that is present inside this earphones is overpowering and excessive bass, but it's not muddy bass. It's a balanced bass, and it is overpowering, guys. I don't like overpowering bass, so I could feel that. But if you're a bass head, you will definitely like this. The bass that is produced in this OnePlus earphones are very good. Also guys, when it comes to treble, guys, the treble that is produced in this earphones are good, guys, but it is not spectacular, or it will not blow you away, guys. The trebles the trebles, the instrument sounds are produced good, but they are not that spectacular for my liking, guys. And also guys, regarding the vocals, the voice tones were produced very good, guys. Guys, I did not have any issues regarding the voice tones, but guys, particularly if I compare it with the Realme wireless buds, guys, the Realme wireless buds vocals and trebles were a lot better produced than this one. And also the bass that it produced was balanced bass, but this has excessive bass. So guys, these are the things regarding, these are my opinions regarding the sound quality. Overall, guys, if you're buying this, if you're not much critical about the sound, then you will surely like this. But if you're a very sound critical person, then you're not going to like it, guys. That's sure. In that area, the Realme wireless buds are doing a far better job. So guys, this was regarding the sound quality. Now regarding its claims, guys, it has low latency mode and all. I could, since it claims that it has low latency mode, but I could still observe the lip syncing issues that I had with some of the YouTube videos and OTT platforms. Guys, I generally watch Hotstar, and in Hotstar, guys, I was able to pick up that low latency issues. So guys, the claims, I don't know it's right or not. Also guys, regarding a good thing that I like about this is the quick switch feature. Guys, since it has the Bluetooth 5.0, it can connect with multiple devices at the same time. And you have a button over here that is called quick switch button, and if you double tap it, you can just switch between the devices, and it works so seamlessly, guys. I am just in love with that. So guys, I have 2-3 smartphones in my house, and this OnePlus is connected with all of them. And guys, this is the OnePlus 8 that I'm using, guys. And when my battery is quite low and I want to listen to music, I just double tap this button and it switches to my brother's phone or my mother's phone. So guys, this feature, having this feature is quite a feels very good, and it is one of the exclusive features in this category of Bluetooth earphones. So this is also a thing that I like with this earphone. Overall, guys, my conclusion about this Bluetooth earphones is that if you're not a music critical person, and if you want an earphone that has a spectacular battery life, the battery life that has is insane, guys. Easily about 12 to 13 hours of battery life. I never got 20 hours of battery life, guys, but that's typical. So if you're not that much critical about music, and if you just want an earphone that has very good battery life and very good call quality, and also a premium build, and you want a brand image of OnePlus, then these earphones are very good for you, guys. But if you're very critical for sound quality, guys, then you might not simply like it that much. I feel the Realme wireless buds were far better in sound quality when compared to these one. So guys, this was my review regarding the OnePlus Wireless Z Bluetooth earphones. I hope you all like it. If you like my video guys, do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel guys. And guys, this is let's wrap it up for today, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care guys.